Okay, I may have removed my voice changer, but that doesn't mean I cannot make any videos. So let's get to it. Just to not waste any more time. So to start the basic AI, let's start making a web request as we are going to need it for this project. So let's get web browser, and you notice that I have a keys file. There's a specific page that I will address later in the video that you will be able to get this URL. Well, actually, it's just a regular server that you need to get connected to. So let's connect it. Let's get from keys import, and the the variable that I name my keys is URL key. Super original. Now let's make sure that it's working properly. So let's set URL is equal to URL key, and now let's open it so we are for sure that it's working properly as it should. Open URL, and this should be good too for us to confirm that our library from web browser is working properly. So let's run it.